In the 21st centuries, many countries are developing into a more advanced country than before. But when developing countries, we cannot ignore the environment around us as it will affect the future. Coal energy, which is considered as non-renewable energy, is primarily used as fuel to generate electricity. Although coal power plants have helped to generate electricity to make countries grow, there are just too many bad effects from it. The major disadvantage of coal is its negative impact on the environment. Coal-burning energy plants are a major source of air pollution and greenhouse gas emission. Nearly 4 grams of CO2 are produced for every gram of carbon burned, and coal can contain as much as nearly 60 to 80% carbon. Trees are natural carbon sink. It can help to reduce the CO2 emission as they grow. They pull the CO2 and convert it into carbohydrate, which they use to grow. So long as a tree lives, that carbon stays within it. Protecting existing forests and planting new ones are surely good things to do. However, scientists say we must not place too much faith in trees to save us. All sorts of technological approaches have been proposed to reduce the use of fossil fuels in order to reduce the CO2 emission, and one of them is solar energy. Solar energy is a clean and renewable energy source that is known to the world. Solar energy won't be damaging the environment like coal energy. When using solar energy, the sun is like a giant battery. Solar energy gets its power from the sun. The solar photovoltaic modules absorb the sunlight and convert the energy into a usable form of electric current. In the 8 years that Boston Solar did their business, the solar energy system is enough to generate 30 million kilowatts a year. That's equivalent to saving 25 million pounds of carbon dioxide a year. Solar energy is accessible energy. Solar energy is affordable energy. Solar energy is reliable energy. The solar panel that absorbs the sunlight can be paired with batteries for energy storage, and its electric system can be independent of the utility grid, making them cost-effective. It has no moving parts, making the maintenance cost low, and a reliable service of more than 25 years. The technologies of solar energy has helped individuals to have a better health and environment as well. It is the renewable energy that we should use to replace other energy sources. Investing in clean energy is investing in a clean environment. A normal car would still produce CO2 by the car exhaust, and reducing the usage of car will only lead to more problems in the future. So, as technology is growing, new tech stuff can be implemented with solar energy system to reduce the use of fuels to operate a car. The electric car will solve this problem as it is operating based on a charge point, taking electricity to operate. No CO2 from car exhaust will be produced with electric cars. So, as everything goes around the world, to develop countries, we will need to also consider the environment surrounding us as well, which is why we need to consider renewable energy to provide the energy and electricity that we need. The future of the environment is the future of the world.